Hi, in this video, we will show you the steps to create promotion code using StackBill Portal. Expand the billing menu and click on Promo Code option. Then click on Add button. Select the type as sign up and provide the discount amount. Then select the start and end date for this promotion. Once it's finished, click on Add button. This code is now available during sign-up process. You can also modify the promo code using Edit option. Thanks for watching this video. Please check the help page for more information.